we end up here?
Well, we come down this road. I don't know what I was thinking. It'll be a mission to get out. Got a bit of a situation. Got this big ass rain cloud chasing us down. A couple little drops. There we go. Paddle girl, paddle!
Much slower without you.
Welcome back to another Zach's Living Adventures adventure. Got the canoe on the roof this time. We're heading up to Pałuma Dam for a couple of days. Gonna go up and do some canoeing, see if we can catch some redclaw. Got a couple of little hikes and a bit of old-fashioned camping. Bring it on! You! Started the big climb up the Pałuma Range. Zigzag, so 20 kilometres or something.
I think it said 17.
17. It's about 20 kilometres. But yeah, pretty skinny road up here. Gotta be on your game. It's not too bad going up, coming down. It's a bit sketchy with the big drop-offs on the side, but yeah, just take your time. Don't want to be bloody speeding up here. Gotta think about other people coming the other way. Just take your time and get up there. I'll show you the Paluma Bridge, that little crystal. When we get
Little
up.
crystal. Right,
Any people up here today? Oh, sounds like it's cranking.
We've also got a squeaky.
Yeah,
Something.
squeaky.
Oh yeah.
Good. Pretty cool. You awesome.
Nearly up the top now. What's the temperature? 25.
Oh, 4 degrees it's dropped. Gonna be cold tonight.
Just coming into the Star Valley lookout. I was waiting for you to do that. Look out!
Sorry.
Concentrating.
Oh wow.
So pretty.
Yeah,
Look at all that. And it's so cool up here.
Yeah.
It's 21 degrees right now.
oh,
It was 29 at the bottom.
yeah. So good.
It's gonna be cold tonight. Lucky I packed a beanie.
Lucky.
Yep. Turn off to the dam.
Oh, look at this big old tree falling down.
It's huge. Birthday Creek Falls if you like a short, easy walk.
Yep, beautiful little falls, them ones. Off we go, off the road. Or on the road. Big old tree ready to come down here. That's bloody unlucky. I don't know whether we'd be able to drive over that, but we'd try. Winch ourselves over. Ta-da! Lake Paluma. Yeah, cool. Finding our camping spot.
Out the window, eh? Heaps more full than last time we were here. It's beautiful. Sweet home.
Small.
It's tiny.
Holy.
I should have picked number 13 again.
Yeah. Wow, that is really small.
Right, so I've managed to pick the smallest campsite possible. So we're just gonna see what we can do here. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are like a millimeter.
Fire girl getting to work here. Loves lighting the fire and playing with the fire. Isn't you, baby?
Yep. We brought her this all from home. We got plenty of palms at home.
Heaps of timber and palm fronds.
Got to bring your own here.
Yep, National Park. BYO.
Everything.
Looks like you're getting it going good. Here's our campsite, little lakefront. Crews are backed up. The 270 out with the lights ready to go. The fridge out. And you got the trusty old angle there. And here's our little tent. Really perfect little campsite, this one.
We thought it was going to be too small.
We did. We got some yabby pots and a couple of little floats for tomorrow. We're all set.
Camping snacks. All right, pot time. Pumpkin versus potato.
Yep. Age old battle.
Pardon?
Might have to go in a bit to set them.
Very picturesque here.
Okay, that's potato.
Potato in. Yep.
Now we get pumpkin.
So how long do you reckon we leave them?
We give them maybe 2 hours, and we'll come down and check them, have a bit of dinner, and then come down and check them again, I reckon. Might have a nice Shiraz with dinner. Maybe come down and sit and look at this beautiful lake. Very nice.
Very pretty.
Maybe we should do that.
Yeah. Welcome. Different angle of the dam. Quite peaceful over here.
Damn, it's peaceful.
What have we stumbled upon here?
Well, this is spillway for the Pałuma Dam. They're all the way down there.
Plenty of spill at the moment.
Yep, put them in a spill. It's cool to get down and have a look at it from the bottom. Pretty cool.
Wash time.
Feeling this might be a bit cold. We'll see. Holy yeah.
Colder than Dove Lake. Tassie.
Oh no.
Cradle Mountain.
Maybe.
Your body wouldn't be as hot as that day.
Maybe it is proper.
It is tradition. Nothing in your pockets?
It's cold.
Look at that.
Holy.
And for tonight's gourmet camp dinner, we have garlic butter potato and pumpkin going straight in the fire. Here we go. Yum! On the coals they are. Part 2 of the potatoes, bacon.
Bacon! Yum!
You're baking me crazy. Alright, it's dark. We're off to check some pots.
Yeah, get the big yabbies.
Let's see. We got some.
Holy, there's 3.
Look at them. They're huge.
3 in here. Ah!
Look at the size of it.
Holy.
That's why we put the other one back. Oh my god. Lucky last is pumpkin, is it not?
Yep, pumpkin.
Anything? Oh, if there was anything, it just come out.
Oh yeah, you got 2 big ones.
What?
3 big ones.
What?
They love the pumpkin.
The pumpkin is the winner. Are we just going to take that pot back with us to carry them all?
No, you put them, you can carry them.
Oh,
I'm going to let this little one go.
yeah. Let him grow big. Or her. Oh, I better check the other one if it's gotten away.
Oh my god.
What?
Did you let it go?
Well, yeah, but it was walking the wrong. It's walking the wrong way. It's walking towards camp. Don't go into the fire, you silly goose.
It will be.
That's cool.
Day 2. Up nice and early this morning, up with the sunrise. Bit chilly this morning, bit of a nice cool breeze. Check out this. Just going to do a quick chip with the yabby pots. See if we can get some breakfast. Yum. The sun's just poking its head up, bringing a bit of warmth. Fire girl, doing a fire thing. Kettle on and cook up a bit of scrambled eggs and redclaw. There we have it. The big haul from last night. We go in our breakfast. Bit of garlic redclaw. We've got a bacon and redclaw scrambled eggs.
And toast.
Cooked in garlic butter. And it smells delicious.
Yeah.
You probably can't smell it, but I'm telling you, it smells delicious.
And the view.
What a view.
Except for that rubbish bag, excuse that.
Yeah.
Alright, moment of truth. Will we float? How will we get in?
This is all the questions me then.
Or how will I get in?
Righto, here you go.
You want me to get in now?
Yep.
Can I stand here?
Yep.
I'm not going to hurt it.
Here we go.
I don't know how you're going to go pushing me.
Mounting the canoe. Successful so far. Perfect. Success. How'd that go, pregnant mama?
Well, the next bit's going to be the hard bit. I feel really heavy. Oh my god. What if we sink? Oh god. We need someone to push us in.
kid.
Where'd that kid go that's trying to steal the kayak? We good? Right.
Hey, holes.
Well, I don't have any water yet.
6S.
6S.
Okay, you comfy?
Yoo! Comfortable enough. Are you? Not really?
Yeah.
Right,
Good now.
I'll help you paddle. We're running around.
Yeah. A little accident.
An intentional accident, maybe? I can't see you. You're covered in the
Camouflage.
only organic, what is it, bait? Is that what you would call it?
Yep, plant-based.
Plant-based. We got it down here. How deep is that? Is that too deep for him?
Don't know, we'll find out. Looks nice for you. I reckon they'll be up in all that stuff.
Yeah, watch this space.
Here we go.
$1,800 meters. How does it feel?
Feels good. Really good. Put my arms to be sore.
Ooh.
Trying to find the headwaters. This here dam. I don't think this is it, but it looks like a little creek.
Spin you around so you can have a look. The trees look really cool.
Yeah.
So this is not the feeder creek. But it is pretty peaceful.
Good spot for a camp. Bingo.
Ooh.
Yeah, the way you're going. Out in the middle of the lake here, and this tree's got heap of elk and stags on it. Pretty awesome. We've made it right to the top, the very furthest point of the dam. See here?
Nearly 4Ks.
Nearly 4Ks. Bloody awesome little paddle. Looks like we can paddle up this a little bit. Let's see if we can weave our way through. Don't know, that looks pretty overgrown, but we'll give it a go.
As long as it doesn't go to a waterfall. Hey? Oh. No, thank you. We've just hit 4Ks.
Awesome.
How do you feel after a 4K row?
Yeah, well, I'm just feeling it.
Not too bad though?
I think on the way, no, not too bad at all. I think on the way home with the breeze behind us, it'll be cool as.
Oh yeah.
Pretty awesome. We found a nice, decent creek here. There's the elusive dragon. See how close we can get. I think that's a water dragon, that one. See if we can get a paddling boat.
I think I should jump on them.
Yeah, that's cool.
I don't want to get too beached either.
Water dragon. Epic.
That's so cool. Hello. Don't worry, we're not going to hurt you.
Do you want to put the camera up for closer?
Oh.
Lucky you went that way.
Yeah, I reckon I would have screamed. I would have ended up in the water, I reckon.
That was awesome.
That was really cool. That thing was huge. So they're good swimmers?
Yeah, really good swimmers. Swim underwater on it.
I do rock. I want to get a bit closer to it.
Really cool. Yeah. Yep.
Hit some turbulence.
In the big waves. Hope we don't roll. Bloody hell.
Hopefully not.
Got a bit of a situation. Got this big ass rain cloud chasing us down. Couple little drops. See how we go. Paddle girl, paddle.
It's much slower without you.
We didn't make it. It's raining.
It's not proper.
What do we got in here? Pull it up quick, babe.
Quick.
Yeah, you gotta pull it up quick.
I don't think
Oh,
anything.
nothing. Oh well. Another view of the dam or the lake.
Something paddling out there.
Platypus.
You reckon?
Has to be.
Wouldn't be a fish, would it?
Not like that. It's got to be a platy. Oh wow. That's so cool. First platypus. Lots of bees and butterflies in this tree. Very cool. Very cool. Crikey!
Where are they going?
Army of caterpillars.
They're like all on top of each other and stuff.
Yeah. Moving as one big one. Maybe they do that so the birds don't pick them off one by one. Looks like a really big one.
It's crazy.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cold out here. Like you're in Tasmania again. Does he?
Got the red line. End of day 2.
You.
Happy?
Oh, how good. 9 kilometre paddle today.
Last bit of the sunset. We're gonna get the drone up in the morning.
Yeah.
Find a waterfall.
We're in the rainforest and it is constantly raining. Go figure. Ooh, campfire. Steak and salad. Ow, it's hot.
It doesn't look beautiful, but it's gonna be amazing.
Epic.
Situation. Is it on that? It was on the chair, wasn't it? Or did you put it in the back of the car?
Found it, don't worry.
We got some water coming in the tent. I don't know how well you can see it on the GoPro, but on the front, in the back, we pegged it out, but obviously not properly. So,
Well, we're a bit slack because bloody it was pretty good weather.
yeah, we were slack because it was good weather. It's coming in this side too now. You're gonna have to do all sides. 3 pegs.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bit of torrential rain last night. Didn't get too wet. The tent was a little bit leaky. We've had this tent for about 5-6 years. Probably due for a new one, I reckon. But yeah, beautiful sunny day today. Take you out for a quick look. Oh, just as I said, that big cloud rolls over. There's blue sky over there though. Checked the yabby pots this morning. Looks like the type of yabby pot we got, they're not really good at holding them, as in keeping them. So yeah, might have to look it up, updating the yabby pots. But there was plenty in there by the look. Plenty of food had been eaten. I'm going to cook a bit of brekkie and see what the day brings. Yo!
Last check of the pots.
Looks like they had a good feed, but Hadn't bagged any.
Pumpkin was the definite winner of the weekend, wasn't it?
Yeah. Bloody shame that.
They're not really day feeders though, are they?
No. They seem to be able to crawl out of these quite easy. Be good if you're checking them all the time. They'd get in nice and easy, but
We're a little bit slack.
yeah, it was a bit wet last night too.
Yeah, we had intended to.
Yeah, last night was going to be the night.
Well, we caught a couple.
It looks like they had a really big feed. I'm not looking forward to this. It's cold.
It's a bit chilly.
Whoa. That's cold.
Ooh, sun's out at least. That's nice.
Yeah, it is nice. You can see where they've had a good feed, eh?
Yeah.
Chew 'em up.
Oh well.
Donuts.
We got 6 for the weekend.
We
Oh,
did?
we got 8, but we gave 2 back
Yeah.
because they were little.
And little ones.
So that's not bad.
Got a feed.
Not bad. Looks a bit nice in the sunshine.
Bloody beautiful day today. You wouldn't read about it. Oh well.
I think it would have been hot out in the canoe though,
Oh, proper.
if we were out there today.
Pretty lucky, I think, with that. And
Probably
it
would have
seems-
jumped in. Ha!
Seems windier today too.
It is windier. I just lost my hat.
Yeah, blew out of. Get this drone up and see if we can find some waterfalls. Going to Birthday Creek Falls. It's my birthday and I cry if I want to.
Moderate grade, 500 metres. Should have put my watch on.
Oh yeah, steps. See these when you see these elk things, you
Leaves.
generally an elk at the top. Oh. One up here somewhere. Oh yep, big one there. Heaps of them, all the way up the tree. There you go, fun fact.
There they are. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but
Elk horns. Pretty cool.
nice easy walk so far.
Down, down, down we go.
And then you'll carry me up. can't piggyback me anymore.
No.
Sounds close now.
Yeah. Big old log here.
It's beautiful.
Just on the final descent down to the bottom of the falls. A few little steps. Pretty easy going still. Just a little bit slippery today because we've had a bit of rain, but easy, easy.
Slowly.
Take it slowly, that's right. And where you can see the falls through the bush. Very cool. Big elk down there. Yeah.
I should try and stick one up on here.
Yeah.
Save it. Or on one of the rocks or something.
See what we can do.
Hey?
See what we can do.
Yeah. Little manoeuvre to save the... Maybe that whole thing could go on the rock there. Heavy. Wait a while. Gotta watch out for that.
Hopefully that saves it.
Yeah, doing our bit for the rainforest. So many spider webs. We must be the first people down here today.
Yeah. Get them all.
So pretty.
That's the spot, eh?
Oh yeah.
Very cool. Little rock garden in here. Beautiful little rock garden. See the moisture coming out. Watch out for the Waterfall. This is the Waterfall vine. See these little thorns on here? Nasty. Caught up in that, you got to wait a while you get untangled. That's why they call it the Waterfall. And we go up and up and up, back out to the car.
Legs are good, man.
Feeling it in your legs, eh? Oh, another one there.
Hey?
Another elk.
Oh, can we save that one?
I don't think so.
There's not really anywhere to put it.
No.
No rocks here.
Here we are at the top of the falls. Flows out of this nice little creek, Birthday Creek. And over she goes. Pretty cool. That's a wrap for the weekend, babe.
Good weekend.
What do you reckon? Pretty cool?
Pretty cool.
Pretty
Could
cool.
be our last camping trip for a little while. Hopefully we'll get one more in, but
Bambino coming out soon. Yeah, pretty cracker day too, this last day, but yeah, all in all, awesome trip up to Pałuma Dam.
yeah.
Lots to do up here, lots of activities.
Heaps of walks.
Definitely recommend it. Bring some warm clothes.
It was cold. But nice, it was good to have a fire.
Yeah, it was nice. Righto, see you on the next adventure. You. Oh, Ulysses butterfly.
The things you see on the track.
You want to explore one day?
How'd we end up here?
Well, we come down this road. Don't know what I was thinking. It's gonna be a mission to get out.
You're gonna have to reverse out.
What are you thinking?